person is very down to earth, that is a real beauty, or that is a real, we can. This is Lakshmi in front of you. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done my schooling from CBSE board. Right now, I am a student of Kalindi College from History Department.
Okay. College degree can give getting best job.
No, it depends your scope and which what is your aim or what is your goal.
What's your aim?
No, actually, yet not decided here right now.
So, do you have any short-term goal?
Yeah, I have a short-term goal. Get a fluency in English.
And what's your hobbies?
Hobbies. I have like 3 or 4 hobbies, like reading a history book, traveling, and collecting old coins. This is my hobbies.
Okay, so as you are a student of college, so you are a morning person or you are a night owl?
I am a morning person. You can
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have 3 siblings apart from me.
Okay, so as you have mentioned that you are in college, so what the next plan? Like after the college, do you have any plans, something
Yeah,
special?
if I get a chance to pursue further, and I will do my master in history.
Education important not if you have a money, so education important not.
Yeah, it is very necessary for all of us, because education is not getting a marks or getting a job. Actually, it makes people to make understand what is the right or what is the wrong for us. Yeah, it makes our life easy and taking a decision in our life.
Okay. Are private school better than government school?
No, both are good in its places, according to me.
Okay, so what is the biggest compliment you can give someone?
Biggest compliment for this.
Like for praising the person beautifully, like in the looks.
In our looks, if a person is very down to earth, that is a real beauty, or that is a real, we can say that unique, it makes a unique personality.
Okay, so do you have a fear?
No, I don't have
Any kind of fear? Phobia?
phobia. I have a phobia with the lizard.
Oh, Lisa, insects.
Yeah.
Insects.
What does friendship means to you?
Friendship. Actually, friendship is not mean just talking to someone with only the work. It means whenever you have a need, whenever you are suffering in a hard time, whenever your hard time is going on, because everyone has a 24 hours, everyone has a face ups and down in his or her life. That time, if your friend helps you, that is a real friendship.
Okay, so if you could eat lunch with a famous person, so who would it be?
Uh, Maybe if I get a chance to just eat a lunch, I would prefer my professor. Professor? Yeah.
You have $1 billion, so if you become $1 billion, so you can use a business, your job, doing a business, your job.
Actually, I'm not interested in a business, so I will prefer job.
Okay. What's your favorite place? One day you will go.
Masuri. I will.
Masuri.
Yeah, I want to go Masuri. Give us the reason. Actually, it's my dream place. We can say that.
Okay. All people should become vegetarian.
No. If someone pressurize you, you should become a vegetarian. It's not a good, because this things comes in your mind and heart. That is good for you that time. Yeah, individual.
Can you tell about our Delhi? Speak loudly and speak in that. Can you tell about our Delhi school? Means bad or good?
Delhi school and
Bad or good?
It's bad or good?
government schools. In a previous time, if I say that the conditions of the schools, it was not like exemplary, but right now it marvelous, right now growing. So we can say that it is a greatest achievement for all of us. So but we should work on it.
Okay, so this is